I got this iced out handcuff as a free giveaway from my boy Hector Gencope. Now this is stainless steel with 14 karat gold over it. Now I have the solid gold one. They nearly look identical. Can you tell the difference between the solid gold one and the plated one? This is the flash test. You should go check out my man's channel. Again, his name is Hector Gencope. This one is the plated one, while this one is the solid one. This is the flash test. Once again, this one is the plated one, which I believe is size 7, which I got as a free giveaway. This one I have personally bought. This one is the pure solid one. Once again, this is the flash test. Now, can you guys tell the difference between the plated one and the solid gold one? Leave a comment. This is the flash test.